Welcome to this Pilates session focusing on total core engagement using a large exercise ball. If you're ready to get started, join me on the mat. We're just going to hop right into it and begin with a gentle warm-up before really working through center body. So take your feet just outside your mat, hands onto the ball, and roll the ball away from you. Give yourself a little stretch and extend your spine forward. Then roll right back up, go onto tips of fingers, and just continue this a few more times at your own pace. So we'll just warm up the back, warm up center body a little bit more, really ground into feet. This is a nice time connecting to your deep breathing as well. We'll do one more time like this, then add on variation. Now reach one arm behind you and stretch forward. Pull arm in, return home. So arm reaches back as ball and arm reach forward and then coming back in. We'll do one more time. We'll come back to that, but right now switch sides. Just 3. Just keep breathing and moving. And one last time. Very nice. Switch sides again. Angle the ball a little bit. And now stretch over side, reach arm behind you, and come up. So think saw exercise, just standing in with ball. Keep breathing and moving. We'll do 2 more times for 2. And one last time. Very nice. Switch out your sides. After this movement, we'll take it down to begin our first official center body core exercise. One last time. Very nice. Now let's come kneeling on your mat, keeping spine in a stable position. Natural curves. Pivot your shape forward, rocking away, and come right back up again. Ground down through the feet as you pivot forward, and coming back up. You may want to breathe in as you go away. Exhale to return. Really just keep breathing. Keep moving. We'll do 2 more times. 2. And one last time. 1. Very nice. Let the ball come close to you. Now let your abdomen rest over the ball. Scooch your legs so that the legs go straight. Hands can be underneath your shoulders or wider. And now just lift one leg up and down. Same leg up and down. We'll add on to this in just a little bit. But just getting our bearings, staying stable. Ball actually may be helping a little bit or drawing more awareness. Switch sides, opposite leg, up and down. Really just allowing the leg to move and not the spine. Deep breathing. Switch legs again and reach opposite arm up. Lower down, switch sides, opposite arm and leg reach. What you're trying to really sense is you're still staying still and stable on the ball, minimizing how much it's moving as you're alternating sides. We'll do 1 more time each side. Now keep the feet down and open one arm out to the side, return. Open opposite arm to the side, return. So rest of the body stays still as arm to open to close. One last time. Very nice. Roll back so the knees gently tap down again on your hands. We're going to choose forearm variation the second time round. And again, we roll away and come right back up again. So you may want to just try forearm variation. You may like it better. Maybe you like the hand variation instead. But just mix it up a little bit. The body works in slightly different ways. forearms compared to hands, and then what you do is find your personal preference, where it seems the most effective for you. Let's do 2 more times. Now we'll stay out, pull just the elbows in, return. Pull elbows in, return. So we're pushing the ball forward and in. 2 and 1. Very nice. Bring yourself up. And now let's have a seat on the ball. So sitting on the ball, I'm going to do a little stretching, a little movement through the spine. Again, reach arms forward. Roll the ball towards the feet. Let your spine rest over the ball and extend as far as you'd like. Supported spine extension, arms circle, and then roll right back up and we'll reverse. So roll along the ball again, fingers sweep down this time, arms reach back, and up to the ceiling, roll yourself up. So we're slowing this one down. Really feel the movement in the spine. Press evenly into the feet here. And if you don't like rolling all the way down, it can just be a smaller range of motion. Let's do 2 more times through. So 1 more time. Each way with the arms. Very nice. Now roll yourself back over the ball. Again, just part way, but this time we're going to stay a little bit more elevated. Reach your hands behind the head, supporting the weight of the head, and start pushing the legs to a straighter position. And you'll notice maybe more work in the abs and then return. So when we push away, our spine extends off the ball, but we're not going into that spine extension. So staying more neutral position. We'll just do 1 more time. Very nice. Reach your arms forward. Roll yourself up. Sit tall on your ball. Adjust the feet as needed. Hands can cup in on the ball and straighten one leg, return. Same leg. So just single leg just straight. Hands cupping in help, or hands go behind the head. Adds a little bit more for that center to stabilize. Switch sides. You can start with the hands cupping in on the ball. We'll do a variation just a little bit. If you'd like, again, hands behind the head. We'll keep our focus straight ahead as we add on variation this next time. So again, switch sides, extend leg, rotate spine, return. Same leg, rotate. So you're rotating towards the straight leg. You're trying to keep your focus right in front of you. So usually we'll rotate the head with the spine, but today, keep your head just right in center and find that spine rotation. 2 and 1. Switch sides. After this, we have a more focused exercise for the abs, and then we're done with the short routine. 1 last time. Very nice. Now again, we're going to walk away. So the lower spine, middle spine is on the ball, but not the upper spine. Reach your arms forward, up at a diagonal, little curl up and down, little curl. And as we curl up, we're trying not to let the hips dip over the ball. So keep the hips lifting up. That means engage your glutes, press into strong feet. Deep breathing as you curl up and lower. Two more times. 2 and 1. And then bring yourself all the way up. Sit nice and tall. Find a pivot back and up. Pivot back and up. It could be a very small pivot back. Doesn't have to be big by any means. Just a few more times here. Very nice. Now again, we'll just end with a nice stretch. We don't want to miss out on your stretch here. Extend your spine over. Take some breath, inhale. Long exhale. Just really feel supported by the ball. Gravity helping you here. Your next breath, reach your arms towards the knees, roll yourself up, having a seat once again on the ball, and seated or end standing with standing awareness. Really sensing center body, even though you're no longer working it. Whenever you're standing, your center body is engaged. We just have more awareness of that from the exercises that you just did. I hope that you really enjoyed that class and it continues to support you throughout the remainder of the day. Have a beautiful day and join me on the mat soon.